This exchange sells the crypto at this price, and this one sells it at this price. Same crypto, but different prices. Today, I'm going to show you a strategy guide for how to perform crypto arbitrage trading on verified exchanges with no code. Buy it on one exchange at the lower price and sell at the other for the higher price. Let's get into the strategy tutorial. Arbitrage is basically a market opportunity that is caused by imbalances. It can happen in the regular stock market, but the opportunities are even greater in the crypto trading world. People from all around the world on one of the many exchanges are buying and selling at the same time. So sometimes the prices between exchanges do not match. That's where the opportunity for crypto exchange arbitrage trading comes in. To put it simply, you're buying crypto at this price from this exchange, transferring it to another exchange and selling it for this price. The difference is your profit.
The key strategy to crypto arbitrage trading on exchanges is to find those differences quickly. You're looking for the biggest differences to make sure that fees are also accounted for. Now, how do you find these differences? With the rise of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT AI and Claude AI, there are arbitrage tools online that can show you the prices of a bunch of exchanges in one place so that you can make the best decision. There are many available online, and I'll put a few in the description. They all have roughly the same purpose, so let's look at this example. Here you'll see a list of verified exchanges with up-to-date prices for various cryptocurrencies. This one has XRP, BNB, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. You can use the table to sort by the price and see where the gaps exist. This one even has a handy calculator if you want to simulate your arbitrage profits.
Let's go through a simple example. We are going to buy crypto from the exchange with the lower price and then transfer it to the exchange with the higher price and sell it for that profit. If I sort by price, I can see that this exchange is currently offering a significant markup on the price of the coin. So what I will do here is go to the other crypto exchange, like Binance or Kraken or Crypto.com, and make a buy order. Once that's done, I'll head over to the other exchange where I saw the higher price and create an account. Once any verification I need is done, I'll head over to the deposit function. I'll take the wallet address and go to withdraw the coins at the other exchange. Enter the wallet address for the second exchange here. Once the transfer is done, simply head to Trading Interface and place a sell order. Now, make sure that the price is still higher than what you bought for. And that's it. It's that easy to perform a quick and easy Binance crypto arbitrage trade.
In this example, this was the amount we bought of our original crypto in USD, and then sold it for this price on the higher exchange rate. This was the profit in just minutes. So now that I know this works, I'll execute for an even bigger amount next time I see the difference pop up again. I'll move my USD back to Binance or Bybit or Crypto.com, buy the crypto again, and repeat the process as long as the exchange rate stays the same. And that's all there is to it. Check out the links in the description and give it a go. As always, you can message the Telegram trading group if you have any questions, or join the group if you haven't already. See you next time, traders!